Asteroid analysis reveals presence of key life ingredients, 5 essential organic compounds discovered. Overview. On January 29, 2025, groundbreaking findings were published regarding samples collected from Asteroid Bennu by NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft. The analysis revealed the presence of critical organic compounds necessary for life, bolstering the hypothesis that these ingredients may have been widespread in the early solar system. This discovery raises intriguing questions about the origins of life on Earth and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Timeline of events. 2016, NASA launched the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft with the mission to study Asteroid Bennu. 2020, the spacecraft successfully collected samples from Bennu's surface. September 24, 2023, the samples returned to Earth, landing in Utah. January 29, 2025, preliminary analyses were published in the journals Nature and Nature Astronomy detailing the discoveries. Key findings. 1. Organic compounds. The analyses indicated the presence of thousands of organic molecules, including 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for protein formation in Earth life, as well as 4 nucleobases critical for DNA and RNA. This suggests that Bennu harbored the basic biochemical precursors necessary for life. 2. Environmental conditions. It is theorized that warm salty ponds may have existed on Bennu's parent body, providing an environment conducive to organic compound formation. However, these environments did not lead to the emergence of life. The presence of both left and right-handed versions of amino acids indicates a lack of conditions favorable for biological processes. 3. High ammonia concentration. A significant finding was the high concentration of ammonia within the samples, approximately 100 times greater than typical levels found in Earth's soils. Ammonia is vital for numerous biological processes, including amino acid formation. For minerals and salty crystals, researchers identified 11 minerals likely formed from evaporating liquid water on Bennu, resembling sodium-rich crusts found in dry Earth lakebeds. This suggests complex chemical processes were occurring on Bennu and its parent body. Common points across sources. All sources emphasize the importance of these findings in understanding the origins of life and the role of asteroids in delivering organic materials to Earth. The pristine nature of the samples collected directly from Bennu, which avoids contamination issues often encountered with meteorite studies, adds to the confidence in these results. Differences in coverage. NBC News and Science News focused on the implications of the findings for astrobiology and conditions necessary for life, while CNN experienced an unknown error preventing access to their coverage. Science News provided a more detailed discussion of the environmental conditions on Bennu's parent body, while NBC News emphasized broader implications for other celestial bodies. Implications for astrobiology. The results from Bennu challenge existing notions about the necessary conditions for the emergence of life. As researchers continue to analyze the samples, they aim to investigate why some environments develop life while others, despite containing the necessary ingredients, do not. This could significantly advance our understanding of life's potential beyond Earth, particularly on other planets and moons in our solar system. Detailed analysis of findings. Organic compounds discovery. The analyses conducted on the Bennu samples revealed a wealth of organic compounds. Among these, 14 amino acids were identified, which are crucial for forming proteins, the building blocks of life. Additionally, 4 nucleobases were found, which are essential components of DNA and RNA, the molecules responsible for genetic information storage and transfer. The presence of these organic molecules suggests that Bennu's parent body had the necessary ingredients for life, potentially supporting the theory that similar materials could have been delivered to the early Earth through asteroid impacts. Environmental conditions on Bennu's parent body. The research indicates that Bennu's parent body might have contained warm salty ponds conducive to the formation of organic compounds. However, The absence of life suggests that these environments may not have persisted long enough or lacked ideal conditions such as temperature or pH balance. The equal presence of left and right-handed versions of amino acids in the samples further indicates that the conditions did not favor the emergence of life as we know it. Ammonia concentration and its significance. The high concentration of ammonia detected in the samples is particularly noteworthy. Ammonia plays a critical role in biological processes including the formation of amino acids. Its abundance in Bennu's samples suggests that the asteroid's parent body may have once hosted environments rich in the necessary chemical precursors for life. Mineral composition and evaporative processes. The identification of 11 minerals likely formed from evaporating liquid water sheds light on the complex chemical processes that occurred on Bennu. The discovery of minerals resembling sodium-rich crusts found on Earth points to the presence of liquid water in the past, suggesting that Bennu's parent body may have had conditions that could support chemical reactions leading to life. Conclusion. The analyses of samples from asteroid Bennu have unveiled compelling evidence regarding the building blocks of life, suggesting that the ingredients necessary for life may have been more widespread in the early solar system than previously thought. These findings not only enhance our understanding of life's origins on Earth but also broaden the scope of astrobiological research, prompting further exploration into the potential for life on other celestial bodies. As scientists continue to delve into the mysteries of Bennu, the implications of these discoveries could reshape our understanding of life in the universe. The analysis of samples from the asteroid Bennu has revealed counterintuitive information regarding the conditions necessary for life. Here are some of the key points that highlight this counterintuitiveness. 1. Presence of life's building blocks without life. The discovery of key organic compounds including amino acids and nucleobases suggests that the essential ingredients for life were present on Bennu. However, despite these ingredients, researchers found no evidence of life itself. This challenges the assumption that if the building blocks of life are present, life must inevitably follow. It indicates that having the right chemical components does not guarantee the development of living organisms. 2. Equal amounts of amino acid isomers. A particularly surprising finding was the presence of equal amounts of left-handed and right-handed amino acids. On Earth, life predominantly utilizes left-handed amino acids. The presence of both forms in equal ratios on Bennu implies that the conditions there did not favor the emergence of life despite having the chemical precursors. This contradicts the expectation that environments rich in organic compounds would naturally lead to life. 3. High ammonia concentration. The samples contained ammonia at levels approximately 100 times greater than typical concentrations in Earth's soils. While ammonia is a crucial ingredient in biological processes, its high concentration without the emergence of life suggests that there might be an upper limit or a specific context in which certain chemicals can lead to life. This finding raises questions about the role of ammonia and whether it is always conducive to life or if it could even inhibit it under certain conditions. For warm salty ponds that did not lead to life, the analysis suggests that warm salty ponds likely existed on Bennu's parent body, which could have provided the right conditions for organic molecules to form. However, these environments did not progress to develop life. This raises the counterintuitive idea that many environments that could potentially support life may fail to do so for reasons that are not yet understood, such as temperature, pH, or the absence of an atmosphere. 5. Asteroids as life's messengers. The findings reinforce the idea that asteroids like Bennu could have played a significant role in delivering life's building blocks to Earth. However, it challenges the notion that the presence of these building blocks on other celestial bodies automatically implies they could also lead to life. This suggests a more complex relationship between chemistry and biology than previously assumed. In summary, the analysis of the Bennu samples has uncovered complex relationships between the ingredients for life and the actual emergence of life, suggesting that more factors are at play than merely the presence of organic compounds. These findings invite further exploration into why some environments foster life while others, despite having similar biochemical precursors, do not. The recent analyses of asteroid samples collected by NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft from the asteroid Bennu have unveiled some significant findings regarding the presence of organic compounds essential for life. While the report outlines key discoveries, several important aspects may not receive the attention they deserve. Here we highlight these often overlooked elements and explain their significance. 1. The nature of organic compounds found. The discovery of 14 of the 20 amino acids used in life on Earth, along with 4 nucleobases crucial for DNA and RNA, is groundbreaking. However, what is often overlooked is the context in which these compounds were formed. The report mentions the presence of both left and right-handed versions of amino acids. This duality is significant because on Earth life predominantly utilizes left-handed amino acids. The equal distribution suggests that while the building blocks of life were present, the specific conditions necessary for life to evolve, such as a preference for one isomer over another, were not achieved on Bennu or its parent body. This observation raises questions about the pathways through which life can emerge and suggests that the initial conditions for life may not be sufficient in many scenarios. The significance lies in understanding that the very presence of organic compounds does not guarantee the emergence of life, thus challenging previous notions about the universality of life's building blocks. 2. Environmental conditions on Bennu's parent body. The report theorizes that warm salty ponds likely existed on Bennu's parent body, which facilitated the formation of these organic compounds. However, the environmental conditions themselves, specifically the temperature, pH, and the lack of a stable atmosphere, could have been detrimental to the development of life. This aspect often gets overshadowed by the excitement surrounding the discovery of organic materials. Still, it is crucial because it suggests that life's emergence is not merely a product of having the right ingredients but also requires a stable and conducive environment. It indicates that the origins of life are contingent upon multiple factors, which could inform astrobiological studies on other celestial bodies. 3. High concentration of ammonia. The finding of ammonia concentrations in the Bennu samples being approximately 100 times higher than typical levels found in Earth's soils is significant. Ammonia plays a vital role in various biological processes and is a precursor to amino acids. What may go unnoticed, however, is the implication of this high ammonia concentration in understanding prebiotic chemistry. This unusually high level suggests that the chemical processes occurring on Bennu's parent body could have been more complex than previously thought. The presence of such reactive compounds could have implications for the types of reactions that might have been possible in those ancient briny environments, leading to a richer understanding of potential prebiotic chemistry across the solar system. 4. Minerals and salty crystals. The identification of 11 minerals likely formed from evaporating liquid water is a key point that might be missed. These minerals resemble sodium-rich crusts found in dry lakebeds on Earth, indicating that Bennu underwent significant geological processes. The significance lies in the fact that these minerals and the conditions leading to their formation could inform us about the geochemical processes that may have been prevalent on other bodies in the solar system, such as Mars or the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. The presence of these salts indicates that liquid water was once present and the evaporation process might have created environments conducive to the concentration of organic materials. This insight could lead to further exploration of similar environments on other celestial bodies, expanding our understanding of where life might arise. 5. Implications for astrobiology. The broader implications of these findings for astrobiology extend beyond Earth. While the report emphasizes the potential for life on other planets and moons, it also inadvertently highlights the complexities involved in the emergence of life. The fact that Bennu contained the necessary organic precursors but did not develop life raises critical questions about what additional factors are necessary for life to take hold. This understanding is significant because it could redirect the search for extraterrestrial life toward identifying not only the presence of organic compounds but also the environmental conditions that foster life. It emphasizes the need for a holistic approach, considering both chemistry and environmental stability in astrobiological research. Conclusion. While the report on Asteroid Bennu's organic compounds is filled with exciting findings, the overlooked details present profound implications for our understanding of life's origins. The nuances surrounding the presence of specific organic molecules, the environmental conditions required for life, the significance of ammonia concentrations, and the geological history indicated by minerals all contribute to a more complex picture of how life might emerge in the universe. These insights challenge the notion that life can emerge wherever the ingredients are present and instead suggest that the conditions must be just right, reshaping our search for life beyond Earth. 1. Discovery of organic compounds. The analysis of samples from Asteroid Bennu revealed a wealth of organic molecules, including 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life on Earth and 4 nucleobases that are key components of DNA and RNA. This finding suggests that the building blocks of life may have been common in the early solar system, supporting the hypothesis that similar organic materials could have been delivered to Earth by asteroids. The implications of this discovery extend to understanding the origins of life and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. 2. Environmental conditions on Bennu's parent body. Research indicates that the parent body of Bennu likely had warm salty ponds where the observed organic compounds formed. Notably, these environments did not lead to the emergence of life as evidenced by the presence of both left and right-handed versions of amino acids. This raises intriguing questions about the specific conditions required for life to develop, suggesting that while the ingredients for life were present, the right circumstances may not have been met. 3. Significance of high ammonia concentration. The samples showed an unusually high concentration of ammonia, approximately 100 times greater than typical levels found in Earth's soils. Ammonia plays a crucial role in biological processes, particularly in the formation of amino acids. This finding not only underscores the chemical complexity of Bennu but also highlights its potential as a site for prebiotic chemistry, which could inform our understanding of how life could potentially form on other celestial bodies. 4. Mineralogical evidence of evaporating water. The identification of 11 minerals likely formed from evaporating liquid water on Bennu's parent body suggests complex chemical processes occurred in an environment that may have been similar to Earth's early wet environments. The presence of sodium-rich crusts akin to those found in Earth's dry lakebeds points to a history of briny conditions that could have supported the necessary chemistry for life. This mineralogical evidence supports the idea that asteroids like Bennu could be significant players in the history of water and life in the solar system. 1. The Miller-Urey Experiment 1953. This landmark experiment conducted by Stanley Miller and Harold Urey aimed to simulate the conditions of early Earth to investigate the origins of life. They created a closed system that mimicked the primitive atmosphere believed to exist on Earth, consisting of methane, ammonia, hydrogen, and water vapor. By introducing electric sparks to simulate lightning, the researchers produced amino acids, the building blocks of proteins. This experiment provided the first evidence that organic compounds essential for life could form from inorganic precursors under conditions thought to resemble those of early Earth. The findings sparked significant interest in abiogenesis and the potential for life to arise from non-living matter. 2. The Allende meteorite 1969. The Allende meteorite, which fell in Mexico, is one of the most studied meteorites in history. It contains a wealth of organic compounds, including amino acids and other carbon-rich molecules. The discovery of these compounds in a meteorite led scientists to consider the possibility that similar organic materials could have been delivered to the early Earth via meteorites or comets, contributing to the emergence of life. The Allende meteorite provided insights into the distribution of organic materials in the solar system and reinforced the hypothesis that building blocks of life could be ubiquitous in space. 3. the Rosetta mission in Comet 67P 2014 to 2016. The European Space Agency's Rosetta mission involved the spacecraft studying Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko. The mission provided evidence of complex organic molecules on the comet's surface and in its coma, including amino acids and sugars. These findings suggested that comets could be a source of the organic compounds necessary for life and that such materials might have been delivered to Earth during its formative years. The mission sparked discussions about the role of comets in the origins of life and the potential for life-sustaining ingredients to exist beyond our planet. The recent analyses of samples from asteroid Bennu offer profound implications for our understanding of the origins of life and future astrobiological research. The discovery of essential organic compounds including amino acids and nucleobases reinforces the hypothesis that the building blocks of life might be widespread in the universe. This section outlines predictions for the future based on these findings. 1. Increased search for extraterrestrial life. The results from Bennu will likely accelerate the search for life beyond Earth. With the knowledge that organic compounds essential for life can form an environment similar to those found on asteroids, missions to other celestial bodies such as Mars, Europa, and Enceladus will intensify. Future missions may prioritize analyzing subsurface oceans or briny environments that could harbor similar compounds with the hope that they may reveal signs of life or prebiotic chemistry. 2. Revisiting the definition of life. As scientists analyze the findings from Bennu, there may be a shift in how life is defined. The presence of both left and right-handed amino acids suggests that life on Earth might not be the only model for biological processes. This could lead to a broader understanding of life's potential forms, prompting researchers to consider alternative biochemical pathways that could exist in different environments. 3. Astrobiology and planetary formation research. The implications of the Bennu findings will likely spur interdisciplinary research that combines astrobiology with planetary formation studies. Understanding how organic compounds formed on Bennu's parent body will shed light on the chemical processes that govern planetary development across the solar system and beyond. It may lead to new theories about the early solar system's dynamics and how they influenced the emergence of life. 4. Technological advances in sample return missions. The success of the OSIRIS-REx mission is expected to inspire further investments in sample return missions. Technologies developed during this mission may be adapted for upcoming missions to other asteroids or moons, such as NASA's planned missions to sample the moons of Jupiter or Saturn. These missions could provide more pristine samples, allowing scientists to make more definitive claims about the origins of life. 5. Enhanced understanding of Earth's conditions. The findings from Bennu may lead to a re-evaluation of Earth's early conditions. By comparing the organic compounds and environmental conditions found on Bennu with those on early Earth, scientists could gain insights into why life emerged on our planet while similar conditions elsewhere did not. This might lead to breakthroughs in understanding the critical factors that fostered the emergence of life. 6. Broader implications for the solar system. The discovery of complex organic compounds on Bennu suggests that other asteroids and celestial bodies may also harbor similar materials. Future explorations of asteroids, comets, and even the moons of gas giants could yield surprising results, potentially revealing a network of organic chemistry throughout the solar system. This could redefine our understanding of where and how life might arise within our cosmic neighborhood. 7. Interdisciplinary collaboration. The findings from Bennu are likely to foster greater collaboration between various scientific disciplines. Astrobiologists, planetary scientists, chemists, and biologists may increasingly work together to synthesize knowledge about the origins of life and the conditions required for its emergence. This holistic approach could lead to new discoveries and methodologies in the search for extraterrestrial life. 8. Ethical considerations in astrobiology. As the search for life beyond Earth becomes more pressing, ethical considerations will emerge regarding how we explore and potentially interact with other worlds. Discussions about planetary protection and the implications of discovering life elsewhere will become essential topics within the scientific community and the public sphere. 9. Public interest and education. The excitement surrounding the Bennu findings is likely to increase public interest in space exploration and astrobiology. This could lead to greater funding for science education outreach programs and public engagement initiatives focused on the implications of these discoveries. Inspiring the next generation of scientists will be crucial as humanity continues its quest to understand its place in the universe. Conclusion. The analysis of samples from asteroid Bennu marks a pivotal moment in astrobiology and planetary science. As scientists delve deeper into the implications of these findings, we can anticipate a future rich with exploration, discovery, and a redefined understanding of life beyond Earth. The quest to uncover the origins of life and the conditions that foster its emergence will not only reshape our scientific paradigms but also our philosophical views on existence and the universe.